What's up guys, we're back with another cinematic tutorial, and today we have a beautiful mid-drop to go over. We now set in our first baseline, eventually dropping it towards the occipital area. In this case, I did go for a V shape to give it some character. Okay, now remove everything underneath. Make sure your blade is flush on the scalp, or you can cause irritation. You want to make sure both sides are symmetrical to each other during this step. For a cleaner look, shave down all the stubble using a shaver. Next, with your preferred clipper, open up the lever and create a 1/2 inch guideline. Make sure to follow the flow of that baseline. Be patient with this step and make sure your guidelines are as clean as they can be. Using the 1.5 open, create a 4 inch guideline this time. Notice how I do flick out a tad bit to reduce the chances of creating another line. The number 2 guard open, go up another 1/2 inch, still giving it that flickering motion. Alright, now with the guard and the lever closed, hit that baseline halfway through the guideline. Open up the notch and go up a slight bit on that same guideline. Gradually keep opening up the lever as you move up. Keep in mind that you can use your trimmer if your baseline is still visible. Next, with your half guard fully open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Above that, with the number 1 guard open, break the line within the dark and light area. I now come back with my 1.5 guard and play around with the lever to touch up any harsh lines I'm still able to see within the darkness. Finally, with the lever open, no guard, touch up the last visible line you're able to see. I suggest you use plenty of corners on this step for a cleaner look. Make sure you hit every area you think might need touch-up work. Folks, the other side is the exact same process. As long as you've made your baseline symmetrical on each side and the same size guidelines, you should be having both sides ending up looking identical. Guys, keep in mind that if you do like these translucent guards, they are available at MartyBlendz.com. There are loads of colors to choose from to match that theme you're going for. And just in case you do need a discount off anything BARBER.com or the Custom FX app, use Marty10 to get 10% off your entire purchase. I'm also extremely grateful for all the love and support you guys always show the channel, so thank you so much, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, now back to the cut. Make sure you're not too harsh on yourself, because if you're new to barbering, it might take you some time to learn. I promise the more consistent you are with it, the better you'll see the art. I do use blending shears to get rid of any excess darkness. I find that it softens everything up and makes it look so smooth. Now moving on to the beard itself, make sure to stretch the skin a tad bit and angle the razor at 45 degrees to get a proper shave. As for shear work, be on the lookout for a full tutorial because it will be coming to y'all shortly. Before adding on some clay, I do make sure I dry up my canvas by using a blow dryer. Moving up to the lineup, comb down all the hair and start up in the middle, working your way off to the sides. You guys, here's our amazing final product, and if you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to like and hit those bell notifications to stay up to date with the channel. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.